creating decentralized metaverse with NFT-based economy, photorealistic graphics, and artificial intelligence inside it. It will work on PC, VR, and through browser streaming. Our environment technology is Unreal, Ethereum network, and like a core of our project is Kotlin. So our primary goal is to create a better version of reality, to build new culture and try to solve global humanity problems. Here you can read it, but we'll talk about it a little bit later. Right now, Nikita will show you our demo version. And Nikita, please, can you have?
Oh, of course, with big pleasure. Give me a second. I will share the screen. So, can you see it?
Yes.
Great. Perfect. So I will start with the basics of our system because it's not only the game element of it. There are multiple multiple aspects of the project, and so this is our first demo Homespace, and this meant to be like every user's flat. So basically, user will get his own space, and he can furnish it with the furniture, which is NFT. He can place interactive objects because we will have in the system the notebooks will be interactive, televisions, books will be readable. For example, every picture, every painting is interactable, and because we're planning to make our own NFT marketplace, you can bid right inside the system. You can trade with other people. You can just visit someone's home space just to have a look, and you see a painting you like, you see a chair you like, and it's all NFTs, so we can just place a bid. If owner agrees, you can buy it. We're thinking for a long time if we need our own marketplace, but NFTs are a crucial part of our project, so we decided to make our own, to play by our rules and to attract as much designers, architects, and artists as possible. So all of this works on Unreal Engine 5. Yeah. So in the future, we will have more interactable elements. Yeah, we can sit, for example. And imagine this in VR. Actually, our game developers have huge experience in VR control mapping. So we have kind of like early adopted prototype for VR. So I think it won't be such a problem for us to implement it in the nearest future. Here you can see a balcony and a great view from here. Basically, we can apply here any skybox you want, and we can even make, as we call them, portals, so you have a separate and different view from each window in your flat. And yeah, so in the future, all this will be customizable. You can just change the walls, the floors, how like the shape of your flat. And in the future, if you bought a land, if you bought a house, you can place it on this land. You can edit your house. So there will be a lots of customization, a lots of options for users to express themselves. And this is basically something like a profile page on a social network, because a big part of our project is socialization. And yes, basically, even if you're not around, someone can visit your home space and yeah, knowing a lot about you, what you like, what you don't like, and stuff. This is our map. We are not planning to make just lands or just small districts. We are planning to make multiple planets. This is our main district. We call it Homespace Capital. This is a public place where the users will interact with each other when they will visit interactable places, and Timur will tell you about it a bit later and show you actually how it will look like.
Yeah, I just wanted to add that please don't look at the graphics. Like we just wanted to create some system like to show how it will work, but it's like not final version.
Yeah, it's only a prototype. We wanted to try the animations. We wanted to try just the map control and stuff. And so yeah, for now we're planning 3 different planets with different topics, with different theme. Basically, we can make we're going to make some kind of like futuristic, stylish city, but there are some ideas that will make this planet fantasy style. Elves, gnomes, forests, jungles, everything, just for like users to express themselves better. Yeah, of course, somebody likes aesthetics, beautiful graphics and stuff, but somebody will just want to be among fantasy creatures and he will just enjoy himself. So we want to provide those options for the people. And
yes. Can I add, please?
Yes,
Our main aims is to give our users a possibility to create actually the home of their dream, like to give them this homecoming feeling, you know, and to allow them to live in the world they actually want to live. And how I said before, we want to create a better version of reality for all. Yes. Nikita, please proceed.
Yeah, this is a small part of our project with which we participated in Binance Gamify Hackathon. And these are interactable poker rooms. This is our mascot Aya. Yeah, she's based on metahuman technology from Unreal Engine 5. So she has a close to real life, real human facial expression. She looks like a human. Plus, we're implementing right now into her our artificial intelligence. So she will interact with users on a daily basis, and she will evolve day by day. She will evolve. She will expand her knowledge. And as I've mentioned, we are using GPT-3. Did I mention it? I don't think so. Sorry. We're using GPT-3 to create her, and this is the one of first protocols which were released a year ago or so, which can operate in context. So basically, it's not just thinking and answering for one request or for one question, but she can operate with multiple users at the same time, and she can remember 10, 12, 20, 100 sentences back. What did you say to her? And so she will mesmerize in the future what you like, what you don't like. So yeah, she will adjust to your character. And yeah, here we have a table. Sorry for the loud sound. Basically, from my side, it's not interactable. There are bots playing. We already created a smart contract for the poker rooms, so we will be launching alpha version of them very soon. And to minimize the costs of transactions, we actually even made like a system. It's better to ask our CTO, but still, an on-chain settlement, so you don't have to pay the transaction fee after every bid, after every move you make in the poker game. So yeah, this is a small part of our project, but I think it's interactable, it's fun. And now I guess we can move on to showing our city. What do you think, Timur?
Yeah. Please give me 1 second. I will share my screen.
Of course.
This demonstration. Yep. Can you see this? Okay, sorry for low FPC, maybe. So I want to tell you a little bit more about our city. Like the social interaction inside Homespace is very important for us. And for these purposes, firstly, we transferring emotions of our users directly to the avatars in the Metaverse. And secondly, we're creating our very first real virtual city made by professional architects. For example, right now it's developing by our lead architect, Roman Vlasev, who is a world-known architect, and he actually tries to try to implement like his dream, his fantasy of the city of the future inside this Homespace capital. And actually, Homespace capital city is the center and the head of our project. Like give me a second, please. This level we made for, yeah. Here you can see our NFT marketplace. Let's say this, and here our users will be able to buy different types of NFTs, like architecture, like 3D models, image, video, whatever. We are trying to create a possibility for them. Yeah, you can see. Yes.
Oh, can I for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Those orbs actually our new upcoming NFT collection, which will give an early access to the users to participate in a human replication program, which means we will be creating something like Aya, but we will be copying human character based on his personal information, which he will willingly pass to us, which will be used only to create this AI replica.
Yes. Again, please don't look on the graphics. Like, this is just our draft of our city. Right now, we are involving in our project another 30 architects who will actually build the city, like replace these buildings by their own. We are preparing for this, like a huge amounts of documentations and software. But right now I want to introduce you like to our Homespace capital.
Okay, guys, you're can you wrap up your pitch for
of course.
Okay.
Oh yeah, of course. You know, our project is very huge and it's very difficult like to present everything.
Yeah.
Yes. But what it's important to say that we are going to create actually a new reality, new economics, and replace some existing institutes by its better versions, like to create educational system, to create DeFi districts with the possibility to earn money. We want to hold on events inside virtual space, and in our plans is to create actually big system, actually decentralized metaverse, which will be ruled by these users. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it will be the decentralized users will vote on upcoming functions. And what Timur wanted to say is that one of our goals is to help, for example, third world countries to have a job, for example, in the virtual world. And it will solve some kind of problems, at least. If we can help, we will help. That's great. In the future, we want to provide free education for children who just don't have a school around, or basically there's some computer club around and they want to have a good education, and we will provide courses. We will pay for them because they will be inside our metaverse already. So yeah, I guess we can wrap up. Thank you very much for your attention and for your time. It was a pleasure to be here and